Just a 4-minute walk from Tottenham Court Road Station, you are truly in the heart of Soho. You won't even need public transport here, you can literally walk everywhere. Mimi's Hotel also offers serviced apartments just off Bateman Street above Lena's stores. It's a beautiful boutique hotel with a dark, cozy, classic English atmosphere. It feels perfect for adults or business travelers. I'm not sure if it's the best choice for families, to be honest, simply because of the darker theme. The entrance is elegant with a beautifully stocked bar and a proper barista machine. The staff are extremely professional and highly trained. The rooms are on the smaller side, but remember, this is Soho. Square foot prices are around £57, so space is limited. You still get gorgeous marble bathrooms, spotless spaces, and molten brown products. It definitely feels like a high-end boutique hotel. Some rooms even come with a balcony, which is a real gem in Soho. They offer different room prices, starting from compact windowless rooms all the way up to larger suites. Everything is clean and beautifully maintained. The mattresses are amazing. They use a German sleep company and you will genuinely get one of the best night's sleeps here. Some of the larger rooms also include a small kitchenette, and a rare bonus, you can actually open the windows, which is unusual in central London hotels. Here is another look at one of their rooms, super clean, stylish and comfortable.